Before going to the minimum cost spanning tree, first we discuss what is spanning tree. Here first one is GBA connected graph. Subgraph T of G is called a spanning tree of G. If satisfy the conditions, one is T is a tree, second is tree contains all vertices of G. All vertices of G. Next one is example. This is the example 1, 2, 3. The corresponding costs of edges 1, 3, 2. First one is if graph consisting of n vertices, then possible spanning trees are n power n minus 2. N minus 2. Here in example n equal to 3. 3 power 3 minus 2 equal to 3 equal to 3. Spanning trees. Spanning trees. These are the spanning trees of the above tree. Here is these are the spanning tree. First spanning tree, the cost is 4. Second spanning tree, cost is 5. Third spanning is cost is 3. Cost is 3. Among these spanning trees, uh, third, third, third spanning tree has minimum cost. So it is called as minimum cost spanning tree. Minimum cost spanning tree. For this example, minimum spanning trees. This is the minimum spanning tree. Tree which includes all vertices of G with minimum cost is called minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning tree. Next one is cost of spanning tree cost of spanning tree is the sum of the cost of edges in the tree. There are there are two methods to determine minimum cost spanning tree are first algorithm is Prim's algorithm, second one is Kruskal's algorithm. First we discuss Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm. This is the Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm. G equal to V comma V be a graph when V is the set of vertices and E is the set of edges. Each edge is associated with weight. SBA. SB the solution for the minimum spanning tree, which is initially empty. Start with arbitrary vertex I. Select vertex J such that cost of edge I comma j is minimum. Among the edges that satisfy conditions that I is a vertex already included in S and J is a vertex not yet included in S. Include J into the solution so that Ij is an edge of minimum cost spanning tree. At the each step, an edge with smallest weight connecting vertex in is S to vertex in V minus S is added to the tree. It adds only the edges that do not create the cycle. When algorithm terminates, the edges in S form a minimum spanning tree. This strategy is a greedy strategy since the tree is augmented at each step with edge that contributes minimum amount possible to the tree weight. Next, next we see the flow of the algorithm. Algorithm prints of cost E cost N T open bracket left here KLBA and KLBN edge of minimum cost in E. Minimum cost equal to cost KL T of 1 comma T of 1 equal to K T of 1 to equal to L for I equal to 1 to N 2 if cost I L less than cost I K condition is true near I equal to L condition is false near I equal to K find the next one near K near near of K equal to near of L equal to 0 is 0. Next go look I equal I equals 2 to N minus 1 B J B index J be an index such that near of J not equal to 0 and cost of cost of J near of J is minimum is minimum T of T, T of I comma 1 equal to J T of I comma 2 is equal to near here minimum cost equal to minimum cost plus cost of J comma near of J near of J near of J equal to 0 near of J equal to 0. Next one is what is the if for K equal to 1 to N update the near if near of K not equal to 0 and K cost of K near of K greater than cost of K comma J comma J condition is true perform then near of K equal to J condition is false return minimum cost return minimum cost this is the algorithm this is the algorithm flow of the algorithm. Algorithm prints of cost E cost N T open bracket left here KLBA and KLBN edge of minimum cost in E. Minimum cost equal to cost KL. KL. T of 1 comma T of 1 equal to K. T of 1 2 equal to L. For I equal to 1 to N 2. If cost I L less than cost I K, condition is true. Near I equal to L, condition is false. Near I equal to K. Find the next one. Near near of K equal to near of L equal to 0 is 0. Next go look. I equal I equals 2 to N minus 1. B J B index J be an index such that near of J not equal to 0 and cost of J near of J is minimum is minimum. T of T, T of I comma 1 equal to J. T of I comma 2 is equal to near. Here minimum cost equal to minimum cost plus cost of J comma near of J near of J near of J equal to 0. Near of J equal to 0. Next one is what is the if for K equal to 1 to N, update the near. If near of K not equal to 0 and K cost of K near of K is greater than cost of K comma J comma J. Condition is true. Perform then near of K equal to J. Condition is false. Return minimum cost. Return minimum cost. This is the algorithm. This is the algorithm. Next, let's go to the see the problem. Initially, all vertices are unvisited. S is empty. Assume starting vertex as 1. S or S equal to 1. The edges adjacent from vertex 1 are 1 comma 2, 1 comma 6, among which minimum cost edge is 1 comma 6. Include the edge 1 comma 6. Madhuri,
Sir.
what is the starting vertex is 1, the corresponding edges from 1 comma 6 are from vertex 1 are 1 comma 2, 1 comma 6.
Yes, sir.
Which one is the minimum edge? 1 comma 6, 1 comma 2.
Yes, sir.
Minimum edge.
Yes, sir. 1 comma 6, 1 comma 2.
1 comma 6, 1 comma 2. What is the minimum edge among these? Which one is the minimum edge?
1 comma 2, sir.
1 comma 2 at వస్తుందమ్మా 10 నా 28 minimum edge
10, sir. 10, sir.
10 minimum cost 1 comma 6 is కదా minimum
Yes,
edge
sir.
minimum cost is 1 comma 6, include the edge 1 comma 6,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second step, now S contains two vertices 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6. The edges adjacent from these vertices are 1 comma 2, 6 comma 5.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా
Yes, sir.
among these which is the minimum cost? 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5 is the minimum cost edge.
Yes,
Minimum
sir.
cost edge.
Edge.
Include 6 comma 5 into minimum spanning tree.
Yeah.
Minimum spanning tree. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం తెలుసు కదా మీకు?
తెలుసు. తెలుసు సార్.
రైట్ ఉండు నెక్స్ట్. Next include 6 comma 5. This is the diagram. Now S equal to 6, 1, 6, 5. Repeat. Repeat the procedure until spanning tree contains n minus 1 edge. What is the next minimum edge? 5 comma 4.
5 comma 4, sir.
5 comma 4. Include 5 comma 4 into the tree.
Yes,
what
sir.
is next minimum edge? Step 4.
3, sir.
4 comma 3.
Yes, sir.
Include 4 comma 3 into the tree.
Yes, sir.
What is next minimum edge?
3 comma 2, sir.
3 comma 2. Include 3 comma 2 into the tree.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
what is next minimum edge?
2 comma 7, sir.
2 comma
7.
2 comma 7. Include 2 comma 7 into the tree. Next minimum edge. Next minimum edge is 7 comma 5. 7 comma 5 is form a cycle. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Form a cycle. Here count all the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 edges, 7 vertices. How many
Yes,
edges? N minus 1 edges.
6,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges, 7 vertices, 6 edges. Our condition is satisfied. N nodes, N vertices, N minus 1 edges. Next, find the minimum cost. 10 plus 25 plus 22 plus 12 plus 16 Next,
Plus
14 equal to
99, sir.
99. 99 minimum cost. This is way of finding this minimum cost of the Prim's algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Prim's ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మీకు వచ్చే ఉంటది.
వచ్చింది సార్.
వచ్చు కదా మీకు ప్రాబ్లం.
వచ్చు సార్.
రైట్. Next, see the Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm. G be a connected graph consisting of set of vertices and set of edges, and each edge is associated with non-negative values. To construct minimal spanning tree, we use this procedure. First one is arrange all the edges in the increasing order of the weight. Second one is select an edge with minimum weight. This is the first edge of the spanning tree to be constructed. Third one is select next edge with minimum weight that don't form a cycle with edge already included in T. Fourth step, continue step 3 until T contains n minus 1 edges where n is the number of vertices of G. Number of vertices of G. Next one is see the algorithm. What is the algorithm? Flow of the algorithm. Algorithm Kruskal E cost n T. Next one is construct heap out of the edge cost using heap. For I equal to 1 to n to conditional true parent of I equal to -1. Next one is I equal to 0, minimum cost equal to 0. Minimum cost equal to 0. Next, check the condition. While I less than n minus 1 and heap not empty. Do this. Next one is delete minimum cost edge u v from heap and reheap using adjust. Next, j equal to find u, k equal to find v. Next, check the if condition. If j not equal to k, I equal to I plus 1, I equal to I plus 1, t of I comma 1 equal to u, t of I comma 2 equal to v. Find the minimum cost. Minimum cost equal to minimum cost plus cost of u comma v. Cost of u comma v. Next, union of I comma j. I comma j. Perform this operation. Next one is if I equal to I minus 1. If I not equal to I minus 1, then write no spanning tree. Else return minimum cost. Return minimum cost. Next, go to the example. Madhuri,
Sir.
Madhuri, see the example. In step 1, arranging the edges in the increasing order of their weights. Increasing order of this is the increasing order of the weights. 1, 6, the corresponding weights. Write down the corresponding weights.
Yes, sir.
In second step, select minimum cost edge. What is the minimum cost edge here? Select minimum cost edge 1,6.
1,6, sir.
1,6. Now include 1,6 into the tree. 1,6. Select minimum edge. Construct T. Include 1,6.
Welcome ఇప్పుడు
Madhuri.
Sir.
Step 3. What is the next minimum edge?
4,5, sir.
4, include 4,5 into the tree.
Yes, sir.
Next step 4.
7,2, sir.
2, 7 or 7, 2. 14. Include 14 into the tree.
Yes, sir.
Next step 5.
2,3, sir.
2, 3. Include 2, 3 into the tree. Next step 6.
5,4, sir.
Include 4, 7. 7, 4. 4, 4. Form include 4, 7, 4,
5, sir.
First edge 4, 7. 4, 7 kada.
Yes, sir.
Here 4, 7 form a cycle. Cycle form అవుతుంది కదా 4, 5. 4, 7 తీస్తే
Sir.
form a cycle కదా. Exclude the edge 4, 7. What is the next edge?
4,5, sir.
4, 5. 4, 5. Include 4, 5 into the tree.
Yes, sir.
Into the tree.
Yes, sir.
Next, what step 7? What is the next minimum age? 5, 7. 5,
7.
7. Include 5, 7 into the tree. Form a cycle. Ante kada.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Form a cycle. Exclude the edge 5, 7. What is
Yes.
the next minimum edge?
5, 6, sir.
5, 6.
6.
5, 6. Include 5, 6 into the tree.
Yes, sir.
Into the tree. What is the next minimum edge? 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
1, 2. Next minimum edge 1, 2. Write down 1, 2. Form a cycle.
Yes, sir.
Mundu. See the step 8.
Yes, sir.
Here 1, 2. Form a cycle. And all vertices are covered or visited. Our condition is n nodes, n vertices, n minus 1 edges. Here is n equal to 7, edges equal to n minus 1 equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
6 edges.
Yes,
6
sir.
edges. Minimum cost equal to 10 plus 25 plus 22 plus 12 plus 16 plus 14 equal to 99. 99. This is way of finding this. Finding this edges. Finding this minimum cost of the Prim's algorithm and Kruskal algorithm. In Prim's algorithm, we take the adjacent minimum cost, adjacent edges of the minimum cost. Whereas in Kruskal's algorithm, among these all the vertices, which one is the minimum cost? That is select the minimum edge. Minimum edge. This is the main difference of the Prim's algorithm and